Hey guys, it's Andrew here at Cornfield Crappie, and I'm going to show you guys how to install and adjust your live sweep motor on a Garmin trolling motor. So first we're going to show you how to install the Garmin Force bracket onto the trolling motor. It's an ambidextrous bracket, so it can go on either side by 3 bolts underneath. There's 1, 2, 3, and on the opposite side there's 1, 2, and 3. So it'll fit snug on either side, and if you wanted to run 2, you could. Now I'm going to show you how to install the live sweep to the Garmin bracket and all the adjustments you can make with our dog bone. So once you get started onto the live sweep, make sure your Panoptix wire is through the center hole so you don't pinch it, damage it, or break anything on the inside. Then once you have your dog bone on the live sweep started with all 4 bolts, you can slide it up from the bottom, and once you get there you can make adjustments on where you want it and then tighten it. So you can move the live sweep itself up and down about 11.5 inches, so you have a lot of play there. And then on our Garmin bracket there's about 5 inches of play, so you can raise it all the way up both ends, and you could be at the top of the water column, or you can drop it down a ways so you can get a little bit better view if need be. But make sure you have enough Panoptix wire running to it. And to tighten it up, you just tighten the 4 bolts. Start with the 2 centers. Once you get the 2 centers, then it'll hold itself and you can tighten the other 2. You can also swing the whole unit out in front or in back if you would like. So here's a tip from Garmin. What they suggest on your Panoptix wire, you do not want to use zip ties. They recommend using electrical tape, because if you use a zip tie it could cut, bind into that, and you don't want any wires damaged on the inside. Okay, now I'm going to walk you guys through our power box. Is what powers the live sweep. You have to run 12 volt power to it, and it has all the clips for the motor and the pedal. So here's our board. This is where you have to run power to. You have the 12 volt power in, and then your ground wire. Okay, and you can mount this anywhere underneath the front of your boat, and it'll be in a good spot. Good dry spot is the best. Then up here on the front, these are the connections for the actual live sweep itself. The first one is the black clip on the motor. Clips right in. The second one is for pedals, which is the black clip on the pedals. The third black one in a row is a white clip on the motor. So the white clip is your left and right on the motor. The black clip is the power. And it's the same way for the pedals. The black clip is the power, and the white one is the left and right. Once you get it all clipped in, wired up, everything should run smoothly.